How much are these for those spark plugs? $40 for two? Oh, I might have to come back with cash. Ooh. What time do you guys close? Like 2:30? 3:30. Oh, 3:30? Okay. Okay, I'll probably come back. And then for the O2 sensor, how much for this one? 35? 40 for both is not bad. I have to come back for these. Let's go. Yeah, it told me 40. It's because I have to come back with cash. I have to come back. I'm gonna come back. I'll come back for those. Those are nice. How much for the Snap-on one?